Alright everybody, hello, it's Andrea Ricania here, and I'm back with another tutorial. I've already kind of prepped my hair. No, I don't use rubber bands on the ends because it's going to be in a wig cap anyway, and I don't want to damage my ends. So, very first thing I do before I do any of these makeup looks, oh, I didn't tell you what I was doing. She's a pink cat. We're going to learn how to be a pink cat today. So first thing I did, go ahead and put my hair into two braids. I don't seal the ends because I feel like that's kind of rough. I'm going to go ahead and then put my hair under a wig cap. It is going to be Princess Carolyn from BoJack Horseman. She's a pink cat. We're going to learn how to be a pink cat today. So first thing I did, go ahead and put my hair into two braids. I don't seal the ends because I feel like that's kind of rough. I'm going to go ahead and then put my hair under a wig cap. Okay, my wig cap is on. Next thing I'm going to do is, of course, go on with my favorite moisturizer, the Good Mood Gel Moisturizer from 4th Ray Beauty. 4th Ray Beauty, please sponsor me something, please. I go in with my I use my NYX Matte Finish Matte Spray. That way, hopefully, the look doesn't slide. I'm also going to be doing my hands because I will be painting my hands and my wrist. Yes, that was in my mouth. It was disgusting. So now I've got my Maron Cream Blend sticks, and since Princess Carolyn is a lighter shade of pink, I'm going to mix the pink and the white. I've never done this before. I'm not sure how this will turn out, but woo! Okay. Alright, once I've got my scribble scrabbles on, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in / buff it out. So I blended it in, but it doesn't look right to me. It looks patchy. I'm getting frustrated. I don't really like it. I'm trying my best to save it, so we'll see. Okay, so I blended it in. I got a nice smooth color, finally. So now we're going to set with the Maron Color Set Powder. Next step is to set with the Maron Color Set Powder. And I use a little powder puff. I'm hating this so far. I think it looks like trash. Alright, so for my inner eye corner, I'm going to use my Fade Into You palette, and I'm going to use Fantasy Land. Alright, subtle, but it's there. The next color I'm going to use is still the Fade into Hue palette. I'm going to use this one right here. I think it's Atelier, but I might have to lighten up. And I'm going to use the In a Trance. And I'm going to use this one. I think it's Charity. I'm not sure. We're going to try to lighten it up. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I'm going to clean this up. So I think my SD card might be corrupt, so because this stopped recording, but this is the makeup look I settled on. I'm going to go ahead and finish getting dressed. And here we are. I'm not sure if this is the final wig, but I do like it for now. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you learned from my mistakes. And I just want to thank my patrons so much because a lot of this could not be done without your support. I want to thank my patrons so much for their support. This could not happen without you. I really appreciate you being here. Additionally, if you would like to support but are unsure if you can commit to a monthly donation, please feel free to also check out my Ko-fi. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Andrea Kenya. See you next time. None of this could happen without my patrons and viewers like you.